Wednesday. I am thrilled to be here again this week. I am starting out our haul today with an office look. You guys have really been enjoying all of my work looks, so I thought we'd start out that way. Also, let's start out the old school way and go over my jewelry. Sometimes I forget. Just wearing one of my gold rings from one of the Target trios. There are three. There's the hammered, the stone, and just like a sort of plain gold one. And then this is my bracelet set from Walmart. This is a time and true set, you guys. Stretchy gold beaded. This is the 6-pack because I do have another stretchy gold beaded set. Kind of all similar jewelry. And wearing my, what I call my gold leaf earrings. I think these are so gorgeous in that filigree. All right, you guys, what am I wearing? I have a sleeveless denim shirt. It's a very soft denim, you guys. It's not like a stiff denim. And it's got a cute little flutter sleeve at the top. And then a bow. Yes, I tied it just for you guys. You guys know I don't like things tied or around my neck. And I just did, I'll show you how long it is. It's a pretty good length. I'm wearing it in a size small. I feel like I could have gotten an extra small if they had one. It's, you know, very, very forgiving. I just did a little front tuck or French tuck into these really cute pull-on dress pants. You guys, I've seen these for years at Walmart and I was like, they're just plain black and they have an elastic or like a gathered waistband in the back. I don't want to get those. Blah, 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 because they are so comfortable. You guys have to get these. If you guys work in an office, get these. It's so funny. I saw a reel on Instagram recently and someone said, things I'll never do past 50 or past 40 or whatever. And one of the things was wear pants that hurt. I have worn pants that hurt. You know, they're just a little too tight or the inseam is wrong. Something's not quite right. And it's like, I cannot wait to get home and get these pants off. These are not those kind of pants, you guys. These don't hurt. These feel like pajamas. The only problem is you're going to probably want to go take a nap because you're so comfortable. So they have a flat front, pockets, which I lined. I'm wearing them in a size small, plenty of room. The small is considered a 4-6. If you're smaller than that, you probably want to get the extra small, which is a 0-2. And then up would be the other way. But here's the back. So this is the elastic waist that I was just talking about that I was like, nah, so what, get them. They have, actually these are real pockets. I haven't taken the stitching out, but there are real pockets back there. By doing that little front tuck or French tuck, you don't even see the elastic. Or if you're wearing a cardigan, or if you grab a blazer or a denim jacket, you won't even know that's there. You guys are gonna love it more than you don't like it, I promise. Sitting down in these is like, again, like pajamas, your stomach's not pouring over, cutting into your waist, all of that stuff. You guys are gonna love these. They're just called the pull-on pants, so I'll link them below for you. I wonder, I think they might come maybe in a khaki color and a gray. So I'll put the link down in the description box. Again, I'm wearing a size small, so you can choose your color. Again, this flat front is gorgeous. I love this shirt. Oh, and for shoes, I am wearing my black braided sandals by Time and True. I started showing these to you guys last year and they're back in stock. They have them in the black as well as in the ivory. Guys, you know I am consciously not touching my hair. This is ridiculous, isn't it? You guys are so sweet in the comments last week. So thank you all so much for saying so many kind things. Honestly, if I look at the last 3 years that I've been on YouTube, yes, it's been 3 years and over 300 videos. With a full-time job, a family, and my parents that I take care of. Yes, I have done that. Anyway, when I look back at all of that, I have been very fortunate. I could probably count on one hand the amount of times I've had trolls in my comments saying not so nice things. So thank you guys. I do truly appreciate all of you and love each and every one of you. All right, let's keep going before I get tears in my eyes. All right, you guys are gonna crack right up. I deleted this entire scene, so this is a rookie mistake, but I am going to do my best to go ahead and describe what I'm wearing, and I'll probably feature these jeans again next week because they are awesome. So believe it or not, these jeans are by Lee, you guys. They are so sweet. They are a high waist. I'm wearing them in a size 6. I kind of sized up 1 just because in the past I know Lee have been a little snug. So again, wearing a size 6, and I don't even think I needed it. There was plenty of room. They're high waisted. They roll up at the bottom, but they are not sewn that way, so you absolutely can unroll them.
And I paired everything with this gorgeous halter by Time and True. I will insert a picture for you. You guys, it is so cute, and you really want to crack right up. Something was going on with me that day. I had it on backwards for the entire scene. So it has a really cute tie. Well, the tie is supposed to go in the back, and your girl had it tied in front. I don't know what was wrong with me. I'd love to know. Anyway, here you see it paired with the jeans. I paired everything with the cognac accessories, the Madden NYC high-heeled platform sandals, along with that cute baguette purse. That is my own belt, but I will make sure to link a similar one for you. It is from Walmart, not sure if it's still available. So again, I think I'm gonna feature these jeans again next week because you guys have to see them. They are adorable, and so is that shirt. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. We will be on to the next scene soon.
Hey guys, back with my next look. Loving this one. Time and True is killing it this year, you guys. I feel like they've really stepped up. I think they've gotten more popular. But anyway, I'll go over my jewelry. Just again, the gold leaf earrings. And I added one of my stone rings from my trio of stone rings, and also my small gold medallion necklace. So this jean jacket is my own, but I will link one that is cut off just like this from Walmart. Let me back up and show you this gorgeous Maxi, I think, dress. Wouldn't you say this is a Maxi? I mean, this is as Maxi as it gets. It's not quite down to the floor like most Maxi dresses, but it's down there, and it is so well made, you guys. Let me show you the back. I'm gonna take the jacket off in a second. I just like to show you the whole look, how I would style it. I would absolutely wear this to work. Now it depends, you know, where you work and what the business casual code is. I believe I can get away with this. I don't, you know, see too many people outside of my own little office, so I think I should be fine. Anyway, let me take this off and show you the rest of it. Now, you guys are gonna be mad because I'm wearing a pair of shoes from last year that are no longer available. I know. But they are available in the ivory color, which I think would look good as well. Just like the black ones, they used to have a pink. Now that I'm looking on screen though, it looks like it doesn't match anyway. So get the ivory, don't worry about these. But I did love them. They're really a blushy pink versus this has a little, kind of like a hint of purpley or lilac in there. Anyway, it's so gorgeous. This dress does come in other colors, by the way. It has pockets. It's nice and heavy, very well made, you guys. To me, when I put this on, it reminded me of like, probably something more from like J. Crew. Like just very well made. Look at the adorable. Now this is in a size small. I feel like I could definitely use an extra small. I can't seem to get this top tight enough, but keep that in mind. Let me just look here. Yeah, I mean, I tied it myself and it's so cute. I love that little detail in the back there. It is very, very cute. And if your hair isn't super long, that'll show. I love that look. Something about long hair, you know, most people think it's great. There's so many times when I wish my hair was a little shorter because I like when I see ladies that have shorter hair and you can see like the clasp on their necklace and like the little dangling, like sometimes that little piece of extra chain, or in this case, a detail on the back of a dress or sweater. So one of the downfalls of the long hair is you don't see all that. All right, so let me give you one last look. Again, it's so nice and full. Is it lined? It feels like it is, but I think it's just the heavy fabric. No, it's not. It's nice and heavy. I mean, they gave you a full skirt on this. And I love the way they made the sides come down a little more than the middle. I think that's super flattering and so cute, you guys. I love that back so, so much. All right, you guys, I have 2 more looks to show you and then we're gonna get to this lip combo. All right, guys, I am back with my next look. Loving this, you guys. I think from last video I told you I'm loving all things no boundaries these days. And this Peplum top is no exception. Wait till we get to it. I should have powdered up. I'm a little shiny. Anyway, and did I mention that I just had my most recent micro needling? I can't remember if I mentioned it in this video or in Monday's video. I just had my most recent micro needling, and this red spots up here is just the remnants of it. It was only 3 days ago, but you guys, I'm loving it. And guess what? She said I could bring you guys with me for the last one. So comment below if you want to come with me to get micro needled. Oh boy, I don't know what I look like laying there. But anyway, still wearing the same earrings. I did add my gold initial necklace. It looks like this. It has 2 chains. I only wear the one. And my multicolored stone bracelet because it matches this cute shirt we're going to talk about. And then one of my rings from, I believe this one comes in the hammered trio of rings. Isn't that so cute? I love the matte gold finish. And I came out and I was carrying my crossbody Louis Vuitton dupe bag. Love this one. I love the gold chain. It dresses things right up. Let me take it off though and back up. This will be linked below and show you this cute peplum top. The sun keeps coming in and out and I can't adjust my lighting fast enough. Anyway, it's smocked completely at the top. It has adjustable spaghetti straps. You just adjust right back there. I got this one in a size small and I love the eyelet peplum part. Isn't that so cute? I also love that, again, just like last week when I showed you a peplum, that it's not super long. It's just long enough. And I think it's so sweet. I'm wearing it with one of my pairs of Sofia Vergara Melissa jeans. These are the ones that have the really cute side stitching there and the raw hem, and they're super flare, I think. They're a high rise and a super flare. I'm wearing them in a size small. Here is the back, plenty of stretch in there. And of course, I'm wearing my clear strap studded sandals. This is the first time in the haul that I've shown them. So in case you don't know about my favorite sandals, let me show them to you. Here they are in all of their glory. You will wear them with everything. But up next, I want to show you another pair of Sofia Vergara jeans that I haven't shown you in a long time. They're my all-time favorite Sofia Vergara jeans. They're also a Melissa. See when I get excited, the word. She has a whole line of Melissa jeans. I love these, and I love the ones I'm about to show you. I think I showed you the pull-on version as well, possibly. I can't remember. You guys probably remember more than I do. But this is the version that has the cute little side stitching, and they have a super, super wide flare at the bottom compared to the others. And what I like about these two is they're not super long. They're not touching the ground or anything like that. You could see your shoes, yet they're not looking like floods either. But you guys, this shirt, in love. I'm hoping I can link it because this one was an in-store find. And sometimes I've noticed, which is getting on my nerves, Walmart, if you're listening, sometimes the stores get things and they're not, I'll scan them with my app and they're still not available online. But I haven't checked on this, so let's not get crazy yet, Liz. All right, let me come back with my last look. I'm gonna pair a new shirt with those button fly Melissa jeans that I'm dying to show you. Again, I don't think I've shown them to you in months. I'll be right back. All right, guys, back with my next look. This one is a really casual, possibly date night look or going out with friends. Grabbed one of my favorite bags. This is that scoop bag. You guys, this is so well made and gorgeous. You will not believe that it is from Walmart. But yes, it is. Love, love, love this. And what am I wearing? One of my rings from a trio of rings from Walmart. It's a Time and True ring, and I will make sure to link that as well. And then my favorite gold bangle bracelet. And wearing my gold initial necklace still. And I did grab, finally, I was looking for these. I had put them away. But these are my gold octagon hoops. And then I just have on my scoop blazer. Now, this is it's made of jersey material. I don't believe this one's in stock, but they have a very similar one, and I will make sure to link it for you. Scuba blazer, there it is. All right, I'm gonna take it off because I'm gonna show you this cute bodysuit. Now, this is a Man NYC or Celebrity Pink. Of course, I can't remember off the top of my head, but trying to hold back a sneeze. It may not be available. I'm not sure. It was on clearance, so sometimes they're totally gone after that. But there is also another really cute one. I'll put pictures up and, you know, in the description box, you will know, for outfit number 5, all about the bodysuit. All right, let me back up and show you what I really am featuring, and it's this pair of Melissa jeans. This is the other pair. You guys, this is like the classic pair. It has the flare. It's not super, exaggerated. The hem is not raw. It's a nice sewn finished hem. I love the button fly. I believe there is a version that just has a zipper if you're not into the button fly. Here is the back. Of course, the pocket placement is great. Thank you, Melissa. These are a high-rise flare. I threw my own belt on. This belt is from H&M. If I can link it, I will. I love thin belts. They really do make you look thinner. I know it sounds weird, but so true. So I love these, you guys. I love all the stretch. I love the flare. I love that they're high-waisted. I feel comfortable wearing bodysuits when I have a high waist because everything is just kind of sucked in. Do you know what I mean? Comment below if you know what I mean. All right, and then the jeans, like I said, are in a 4. I believe the bodysuit is in a small, I think. And that's it. Oh, and for shoes, just threw these back on, the black braided sandals. These come in handy. These are so comfy, you guys. I mean, the heel is not that big. The footbed is memory foam. They're nice and wide for my big old feet. I'm happy when I have my braided sandals on. All right, let's go over this lip combo. So you guys, oh, let me take a sip of water and talk about this for a second. I meant to do that last week. Guys, this is a Stanley dupe. Don't mind all the lipstick at the top. This is a dupe for that Stanley tumbler that's like viral in this universe of influencers. This one is by, what is that brand? Ozark or something? I'll put it up on the screen. That Walmart always features for a lot of their tumblers. It's exactly identical to this one here, but this one was $15, so I will make sure to link it. Is it Ozark or Adirondack? Something like that. All right, let's talk about my lips. So I came back in, I told you guys I've been loving the NYX lip liners, and it's just so true. I came back with Magic Maker. This is honestly so pigmented, goes on so smoothly. I have to get another one, it's getting smaller. I just love it. I did see that do a little of the bronzer under there to get that little blurred effect that we like, so it doesn't look like we've totally overlined. And then I'm coming in with Posh, and this is by Mellow Cosmetics, which is a little higher end brand. I'm gonna need a new one of these too, you guys. But you can get it on Walmart. I think I got mine on Amazon, but I'll link it for you. It's a really pretty, very matte, pinky nude. I love it. I absolutely love it. My hairdresser actually turned me on to this, that one there. And then I like to come in with Beige Babe in the middle. It gives me a little hydration, even though it's matte. It's not quite as matte as the Mellow Cosmetics Posh, and it lightens things up. And there it is, you guys. Loving this one. It kind of looks pretty with this salmon or coral colored bodysuit. All right, you guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite or item, or if you have any of these, let us know what you think about your Walmart piece. And let me know too if you guys want to see me get that last micro needling treatment. Like I said, the girl who does it for me said that it's no problem if I do want to film. All right, you guys, I hope you all have a great week. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications. That way you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. Hope you all have a great week again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.